Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC is online and up to date. This prevents sign-in errors. Next, open the Windows Start menu and select Settings, then Accounts. This is where you begin. Once there, choose Sign in with a Microsoft account or Add account if needed, and enter your email or phone. Make sure to double-check spelling. Small typos block sign-in. After you press Next, prepare to enter your password or use an authenticator app if you set one up. Once you enter your password, the system may prompt for two-step verification. This improves security, so complete it with your phone code or authenticator app. If you use a security key or Windows Hello, follow on-screen prompts to set biometric or PIN login. These speed future access. Make sure to review sync and privacy options so your settings and files are saved to OneDrive if you want. If you see a Stay Signed In option, choose it only. To finish, confirm your account appears under your info and verify sync status in Settings. This confirms everything is linked. Once done, sign out and sign back in to test password and Windows Hello. If sign-in fails, make sure your PC clock and time zone are correct and your internet works. These often cause authentication errors. As a key troubleshooting tip, use the Forgot My Password flow or account recovery on another device to reset credentials before repeating the sign-in steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.